Yosef this was his work. He was in Mitzrayim, and he had all kind of testing, nisyonos, the girls, Egypt girls, everybody ran up there, and he held himself strong. No, he's going away. So he went with the Derech HaMusa, Sumera. I shouldn't do no bad. Yaakov had in his life such a miserable life, such a tzorah. No, better, let's do good. Let's do good. Yosef bought Menashe. Menashe means forget the past. That's word only to take out the badness from us. So yes, bless me the first one. Yosef, Yaakov knew there was a derech chassidus. No, let's be good. Only good. Therefore, here we have the difference between Sur Merah, this is Musa, derech Musa, this is Asay Tov. But we need both of them. This is the whole thing, the concept of, if you learn literature yeshiva, when I was first grade kid, the bar mitzvah I learned in literature yeshiva. I remember still Van Kotler's father-in-law. Means, who is today? Malkia, his father was a Schneer, and his Zayde was a Baum. And I remember that his grandfather, Van Kotler's Schweb, father, this is all my man. Then later on, I learned Bar Moshe, 5 years of Moshe Feinstein. So I learned most of my years I learned in literature yeshiva. And I know what the literature yeshiva is. I learned a lot of Chassidish Sforim also. I was a Chassidus. So I know the difference. Literature and literature and Chassidus. This is Derech HaMusa, the working to get away from the badness. Only my chavos shelodom v'ze'oidom, what the person has to do in this world, you could see hours and hours. My chavos shelodom v'oidom, what's the purpose a person is in this world? He should get away from the badness. No? But you could 70 years see what's the purpose I'm here to get away from. Do something good already. That's it. Leave already the badness, leave it. I'm full of sin. Do already something good. Baruch Hashem, I have a mezuzah coming in my house, I have a mezuzah coming in, sure I have a mezuzah. Baruch Hashem, I have tzitzis, I have tefillin. Do good. Speak for good. Only thing good. And this is the Sur Merah Asay Tov. This is the general Musa and Chassidus. Now we come back to Breslov Chassidus. But this Breslov Chassidus came in, and why slowly and surely it's going in the whole world. The whole world so far that even going are taking the Sforim in English and Spanish and French. All kind of languages, they're grabbing it. Die dritten Apostel, was der Äußerliche das Leben haben, das hat Lev Bosser. That's what Novi says, I will remove your stone heart and I'll give you a flesh heart. What's the difference between a stone heart and a flesh heart? Stone heart, my heart is like a stone. I couldn't care less what will be with me. Person, my heart is stone. Somebody needs help. I couldn't care less. Leave me alone. I don't want to help you. Person speaks like this. He has a level heaven. He has a stone heart. He couldn't care less what other one. Mashiach will come. He will give us a flesh heart. What's a flesh heart? That my heart will be from flesh, not from stone. I will be very sensitive. I will see a person with a problem. I will help you. I want to help you. It's a little chesed. So Chachamim say that Boso is flesh, but Boso you could write, if you put the dot on the left side, is like a sin. It's a sin means a samach. Samach means beser, say the Chazal, she'erod misbaser v'lev chaveroi. I should fill you. One should fill the other one. Now, what's the whole goal? Nobody cares on the other one. Nobody cares on that. Will come the time, with the redemption, we will fill each other. The leif beser, with the samach, with the oises breser. Leif beser. The Rebbe says that everybody will be a breser. What's been everybody a breser? You put a tag. No, I will have a fitting to the other. Baruch Hashem, you see now that Klal Yisrael, they were a beautiful dog generation. I'm saying in a lot of times about Rosh's, that this generation is the nicest generation in Kabbalah Satorah. All the people crying in exile, in Golas, they're suffering so much. And this generation is the nicest generation we ever had at Hashem from Sin Kabbalah Satorah. Such a beautiful, everybody said, how can you say such a thing? So I explain how. In the beginning of the creation of the world, who was on the world? Adam and Chava. They had two children, Cain and Hevel. Cain killed Hevel. He killed him. At the time from Cain and Hevel, Cain, he killed Hevel. Jews are always suffered. There was the escape goal. Always, the Jews, all the problems there. 2,000 years we suffered. Everything is the Jews. Whatever the Gentiles didn't win, under the way they won, they put it to the Jews. And we suffered. Such a thing went through the Holocaust, wasn't it sin, Hashem created the world. And such a Arzonius, the German nation, this is Amalek. Even you do it to dogs, to cats, torture, with all kind of torture. We can't even imagine that in our darkest dream what they did. People went through in Holocaust and they survived, and they're still normal. This is a miracle. But they say 6 million. Slowly comes out, they're more than 6 million. They don't know. And how much millions Stalin and Marshall and Russia sent away in Siberia. Never will know. But the torturing, how they torture people. Well, they kill them, kill. Got bombs to kill them. It's a war. But they didn't. They wanted to torture the Jews. After such a thing, people lost their father and mother, brothers and sisters, wives and children, and uncles and aunts and grandfather and grandmothers. After such a nature. And it's not enough, came a whole bunch of hooligans, and they openly spoke against Hashem, and we will fight, we will